Hey guys, good afternoon. So I go outside and I'm looking for a specific package and I get it and I'm so excited. I got my Warby Parker glasses. I am going to show you guys, this video is not sponsored, but I am going to show you guys what they look like and how excited I am. I'm not sure if I'm going to order them yet. I'm going to ask you guys which one looks better on me. I have to send these back in 5 days, but once I find out which ones look better, I'm going to order them again. So let's get straight looking into this. Okay, so as I open my box, it comes up here. You get neat glasses, ask around, we can help, order, send them back. Once you've spent 5 business days with your frames, pack all 5 back into this box, tape it up, stick it on that return label, and drop it in the mail. So you send them all back anyway, and then you have to wait for your brand new pair to arrive because you order them after. Or you order them before you send them back. It comes open with this. I found out about this because of Tiffany from Beauty and the Beastons, and I'm in love with the Vaughn glasses that she always wears. So I decided, what the heck, like, let's take the test and see what happens. What I like, here's the sticker that they sent, and here's the ones that I ordered. And I'm hoping that I'm going to love the Vaughn ones. So here are all my glasses. Okay, so I do sound a little bit nasally, so I apologize for any inconvenience, and I'm kind of blind without my glasses, so I have a mirror over here that I'm going to be looking into so I can see which ones I like the best. Okay, so these ones are the Vaughns in Burnt Lemon Tortoise. I think that these are going to be my favorite. I hope. This is just what they look like. They're like so pretty. And then on the inside, it just tells what kind they are. And with this company, they are, well, they're a little dirty. They are $95 a piece, or you can, I'm not sure if it's PayPal or another company. You can do 3 payments. Like, I can barely see, and I think they look. I don't know. They're a little bit crooked. I'm assuming that they'd send a bunch of the older ones to everybody. I'm not sure how I feel about these. Okay. These ones are Turner in Chestnut Crystal. Yeah, these are definitely demo lenses. They don't come in your actual prescription. They ask you to put it in, but they don't come in it. And these are like almost the exact same thing. They're just a little bit more brown. And they're not as thick on the sides. I like the thick glasses on the side. These are all plastic, and I like metal also, but plastic is always fun too. Okay, I feel like these make my face look a little bit small, and I kind of look like a granny. But I want to go for a bigger size. These are the hues in Chestnut Crystal. I also got a pair of sunglasses too, which I'm so thrilled about. I actually might end up ordering those instead. These ones are so totally crooked. Oh! Yeah, they're definitely crooked. They must have gotten broken when somebody sent them back in. But this is what these look like. These ones are the Fletcher, and they're black matte Eclipse. I like the black ones, but I'm not sure if I'm going to actually get black. These actually feel really good on my face. They like just smoothed up and went on instantly. These in Laurel, Elderflower, and Crystal. These are so pretty. Like online, they were so pretty too. So I'm glad to say when getting them, they're even better. But these bigger glasses, like all together, are like, it's so intimidating. So you put them on, but everybody else looks good in them, so why not me? Ooh. I really like these.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change is inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it.
Alright, this is my after. I have to wait to vacuum until tomorrow because it is 9:05 p.m. and I am in a downstairs apartment and I cannot run the vacuum past 9 p.m. So, anyway, we can finally see the floor, thankfully. Tomorrow I'm going to put all those away. I have to get Novella to bed because I start daycare early in the morning. I have to be up at 6 a.m. So I'll put those away and hang them up tomorrow. But anyway, this is our bedroom. I still haven't cleaned this off, but I'm just going to leave that alone. It's just some wrapping paper because I got Novella some things, and I want to show you guys really quick one of the things I did get her for Christmas. She's up there eating her nuggets with her new Barbie. Okay, so I put them under the bed so she couldn't find them. Got her these little shoes. I found them from Walmart or Target. So I got them in a size 8. They have Anna and Elsa on them, and they're the lace ones. They just have this on either side, and they were a size 8. She's in a size 6, almost a 7 right now. Her cowboy boots that she wears all the time are a size 7, so we got them bigger, thinking for Christmas. They were $16.87 before tax, but then I was thinking, why did I get her sneakers for Christmas when she can't even wear them until springtime because we get like 8 foot of snow here sometimes. So I'm kind of thinking about taking her to see the movies when Frozen 2 comes out next month in November, and taking these back and getting a smaller pair so she can wear them to the premiere, because we're going to go the night that it opens. But anyway, I thought I'd show you guys those. So we got our little bear for Halloween out. Colt's had this since he was a baby, so now we have it for Novell. His parents decided to give that to us. But anyway, yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm not going to make the bed, of course, because we're going to go to sleep. And then those 2 drinks are staying there because we just got them tonight. I just have to fill my humidifier because it's red. And for some reason, it's not showing on here that it's red. But it is red. There's Portia out there. But I'm, like, obsessed. Also, too, I don't know if you guys noticed, we put the longer curtains on the edges. And then we just push the middle-sized curtains in between. I tried to do every other, but it looked really funky, and I didn't want to fully get rid of the floral curtains yet. So that's what that looks like. That's our mini fridge / mini heater. We can make it a cooler, or it can be a like microwave type thing. Keep some food warm. But anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so already. And tune in for next week's fall-inspired videos. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, God bless. Bye.